a big SUV lover because it gives, mafia and that blocky vibe, that bulky vibe.
I have been driving from last 6 years and I am driving a manual car. Exercise हो जाता है, हाथों का, पैरों का, so I'm loving it to be honest.
Hello, I'm Varsha and you're watching Car Bike 360. Today in this video, we will be creating UGC content, user-generated content, which will be revolving around the user we have or the owner of the car, Miss Kritika. Welcome, Kritika.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Today we have Kritika. We will be asking about the experience of the car she have been driving. How was the experience? And the car is Maruti Suzuki Swift Dzire 2014 model. It is a little older and we have taken it because we want to know about the driving experience, because people have, few questions. They have lot of myth inside them, like if a car gets older, then the driving experience they are having, is it better or is it as good as the new car? So we will be asking experiences, we will be asking about the specifications and many more things from the owner as well. So let's get inside and let's get started and let's know about the specifications and more information about this car. So we have came inside and we will be asking questions to Kritika. So first of all, Kritika, I want to know that you have been driving this car. So how was the experience, overall experience?
It was amazing, to be honest. I have been driving from last 6 years and I am driving a manual car. And only this car. I'm so loyal to my car.
Okay.
Currently. So I'm loving it, to be honest.
Okay. So you told me that you have manual transmission car. So why? Like, don't you like automatic, or are you a really auto freak or car enthusiast that you will prefer manual only?
No, absolutely. Everyone loves to, drive an automatic car. But currently I am having a manual car and I've been driving it. So, I mean, it's good. I've been driving from last 6 years and driving a manual car, आपका exercise हो जाता है, हाथों का, पैरों का. So I'm loving it, to be honest.
Okay. So like you said कि exercise हो जाता है हाथों का, पैरों का. So how often do you drive? Like you drive regularly or to the office or to somewhere else? Like how often do you drive?
So I drive regularly, right? I have been traveling from Delhi to Gurgaon every day.
Okay.
So it's like I've been traveling every day, like at least for 4 hours. So
Okay. So as I told, like we will be telling the users that how was the experience. So you were saying that you drive, regularly to Delhi to Gurugram. So it's been like hectic, like very much traffic and everything. So how many average does it provide to you?
So my car gives an average of 15. So I mean, it's good, to be honest. 15 average is very good for my car. It's very old. So it's maintained and everything.
Okay.
So yes.
So you just told me that it's maintained. So what's the maintenance cost, or how often do you get it serviced?
So after every 6,000 kilometers, we get it, serviced by the service station. And I think it cost around, 5,000 rupees at every service. So that's how, we do the servicing part.
Okay, so like we are sitting, in a hot temperature, sun is being so angry on us. So how does the coolant system work? Like you get it, the filters, the radiators and everything, you get it serviced as well, I guess, because it is, being very nice.
Yeah, absolutely. It's well maintained and you can get that cooling and everything. So it's very good. You get pure many things. So for example, the straight coolant and the like
leg room
coolant.
And
yes, everything. You got everything here.
And here's the fan. So at what temperature do you keep it? Like 2, 3, 4, 1?
Sometimes if it's too hot, I keep it at 2. And sometimes 1 is sufficient, to be honest, in the evening time.
So as you told me that it's 2014 model, a little older, it's an old car, we will say. So the manual transmissions, the clutch plate, the brake plate, the oil, are they smooth to drive, or they just take a solid impression on them?
No, it's everything very smooth here, but sometimes it lacks too. The reverse gear lacks because it's a very old model, it's well maintained. But sometimes it's lack, but it's okay, Chal raha hai kaam.
Chal raha hai kaam. Okay, so you said me ki chal raha hai kaam. So are you planning to upgrade your car?
Yeah, definitely. Me and my family are planning to buy a new car. We are planning to buy a new Creta, which will be automatic.
Okay.
So that's how we are just planning abhi. Let's see.
Okay, so why Creta? Why Hyundai Creta?
I love that car, to be honest.
Okay.
It's so we are planning an automatic car, to be honest. You know, I drive daily from Delhi to Gurgaon, and you know, traffic sucks, right?
Yeah.
So automatic is so good in terms of if we talk about traffic. So yeah, I mean, I love Creta.
Okay, so are you know, a big SUV lover, because it gives, you know, mafia and that blocky vibe, that bulky vibe?
Yeah, definitely. I'm a SUV lover, and you know, I'm from Delhi. No,
Yeah.
that's Delhi vibe, you know.
So which car you will be, you know, planning to buy?
Creta, black Creta.
All black.
Yes.
All mafia. All right, that's good. Okay, so as we were talking about the coolant system, so we can see the interior, you know, it's beige in color. So why do you prefer beige? Like,
so honestly, I prefer all black.
Yeah.
Sometimes for family, you have to be very decent and you know, innocent, simple.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what my family wants, to be honest.
Okay, so here I am, you know, looking to this LED cluster. So is it, you know, yes, it is touch screen. So did you get it modified or it is company fitted?
No, it is all modified. It is not at all company fitted.
Yeah.
You know, you get that sound system very low in the company fitted system. So you know, like I'm from Delhi, so we like loud music, not soft.
Okay, so you just said loud music. So did you get your acoustic, the whole music acoustic?
Yeah,
modified.
Yes.
All right, that's good. Okay, so here we will be moving on the USB. Okay, so here is the USB port, and here you can say, like, you know, there is enough space as we are having a pen, a card, and yes, your earrings, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That is, so we are having enough space here, and you can see space here as well, like as I can see, you know, and yes, you can see enough space. And here we are having a bottle, and you know, things kept here, and we are having right space here. We are having power window as well.
Yeah.
All right, that's great. Okay,
we get an auto lock, a power window, everything, you know.
Okay. So do you use this car for traveling as well?
Yeah, absolutely. Me, my family, we are, you know, so fond of traveling, and we travel at least, you know, like every 2 months. So we take this car only to hills, you know, so many, like Mussoorie, Nainital, you know, etc. So we take this car only.
Okay, so is it like
very smooth?
Very smooth,
yeah,
right?
yeah, absolutely.
So मतलब people, you know, people used to think, ऐसा सोचते हैं वो कि गाड़ी पुरानी हो जाती है तो लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे ना लेके जाएं, लॉन्ग ट्रैवल ना करें, because धोखा दे देगी बीच में. तो कभी धोखा दिया है इसमें?
No, not. See, it's all about maintenance. Okay, if you maintain your car to that level, if it get old also, it doesn't matter. To be honest.
Right.
It is very good, yeah. I'm loving it, to be honest.
Okay, so you're loving it so much. So you know, you use this car for traveling as well. So what about the boot space you're having?
Yeah, it is very good, you know, like we can put, you know, at least 4-5 briefcases in that, and you know, one here, to be honest, if we can.
Okay, so boot space, you're happy with the boot space?
Yeah, absolutely. But you know, nobody is satisfied. So I need a bigger boot space. I need a good car now. A new car, to be honest.
Okay. So you know, as you said कि long drive पे जाते हो, so you take this car and it's been so loyal to you. You know, it does not create any problem or bad situations for you. So when you drive for like a long time, so are you getting enough high support here?
Yeah, absolutely. Okay.
And a generous space here, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, all right. And I want to know, the steering wheel is adjustable or not?
Yes, it's completely adjustable.
Adjustable. Okay. The height you can adjust.
You can adjust the height, everything.
Okay. So here are the basic levers, I guess, for the indicators, wipers. Right. Okay.
You can see the RPM here and everything.
Okay. We are having RPM here, the speedometer, the time, the range of kilometers we are having, and how much car have made hustle, right? How much the hustle have made the car. Okay, great. Okay, so we have talked about the space as well, the experience you are having, right? And the obviously manual cars, you know, they are love, right? Sure. So the video conclusion is, maybe मैं इसको conclude ऐसे करना चाहूँगी कि it does not matter कि आपकी गाड़ी थोड़ी पुरानी हो गई है, so है ना, but it's just all about maintenance, right?
Correct.
Like if you're maintaining your car to that level, to that, you know, cost, then it will be loyal for you. It will
you're right.
It will be giving you optimum driving experience, right?
Correct. Absolutely.
All right. So you said ki you will upgrade your car soon. So will you miss this?
Absolutely, it's my baby. No, I've been driving from since I have learned, you know, driving.
Yeah.
So I'll miss my baby. To be
All
honest.
right,
Yeah.
all right. So, okay, thank you for the information you have shared with us. It will be really helpful for the users.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you.
Because you know it have just catch rock all the myths people are having. You know, because they think that car gets older, then it does not perform well. So because of you, they got to know that you know it's all about the maintenance and how you take care of your car.
Yes,
You know,
yes.
you have
correct.
to take care of it like your own child. You know.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So thank you so much,
Thank you
Kritika.
so much.
Yes,
Thanks.
thank you so
Thank you.
much.